This is Billy. He's replacing cracked glass in this park model. And he's taking a measurement right now. He's got an assistant with him inside. So it's a pretty tedious job. Got anything to say, Billy?
No.
Okie dokie. Well, appreciate you doing this. It's needed. Thank you. This is Brandon. He is trimming up some of our mountain laurels, and he's done a lot of trimming here, making everything work, look pretty and clean.
Hi, my name is Brandon Ray, Ray's Tree Service. Been in business over 19 years. Give us a call, 828-467-1113.
He's out of Spruce Pine, North Carolina, and he does tree trimming, he does landscaping, and he also climbs trees. Like, here's a tree he trimmed up there. You can see one of the limbs that got trimmed. Maybe you can cut that other one off too. He's a good guy. He'll do a great job. He'll follow up. And he's done work for us in the past, and it's been awesome. Thanks, Brandon.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
So this was missing and rotten underneath because you could probably see over there in the corner that crack. This cement sagged down. So we're going to fill that in with concrete. And that side looks to be okay. But this side needs filler concrete, and hopefully we'll block that, and that'll work. Be nice. So here we've moved on to painting.
Yeah, that's my. I'm attracted to that looking man.
Oh yeah,
I know.
He's a cutie.
It's gonna be on our thing.
Yeah, it's on your thing. So let's just talk about rolling. Now Virginia's matching.
I want to talk about the hunkiness of the workman.
Yeah, Brandon's a cutie.
So now we're painting that faux stuff we put in there to cover the park model windows. Virginia's up there rolling. I cut in earlier. It's
Rolling, rolling, rolling like a river.
How does it go?
Left a good job in the city.
Oh shit.
Tina?
Working for a man every night and day.
What are we talking about? Tina Turner?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's gonna need 2 coats. I did cut in, and Virginia's doing some rolling. Okie dokie. So we changed out, as I said, the handles and the hinges, and this is.
It's really nice. This is the extra cabinet that came in. Put the doors on. Got to paint more hinges for this one, and then we'll put that on.
And we'll buy those little soft things so when it closes it doesn't make a noise. And we'll do that. But it looks pretty good. Now our next idea is to put wood, some kind of wood paneling up there. Kind of sort of matches that. So it's extended to the line of the cabinet extension. And then we're going to, where's the backsplash we chose?
It's over there on the floor.
So we chose this backsplash. You get some light on it. So it's just a vinyl. I think you can cut it, peel and stick. So that's what that looks like. We chose that for backsplash. So Jill is removing this bathroom light that's over the door, front door, and we're gonna spray paint it black and put it in the bathroom, I think. We'll see. We'll make that decision once it comes down. So the next day I'm looking and I got some cracks right in that area that will need to be fixed again, and a little bit over there too. But this dried up real nice. And I left this in place so nobody would step on the threshold and push that. Regardless, it cracked there, and it cracked there, right here. It feels pretty firm, but not inside, so that's gonna take some time to dry. So today Virginia has been working on peeling up the carpet in the sitting room and also peeling up what was peel and stick, but I don't know, it looks like they used glue also. What do you think, Virginia?
Oh yeah, you see the glue here, glue marks,
Ugh.
and then they nailed it too.
So they used glue and nailed it, and it's been a rather difficult job
nails
getting.
right there.
Oh, let's see. So there's nails,
Yeah.
glue. Yeah, you can see the lines of glue. So it's been a real nightmare getting this off.
Whew.
But it's going to be nice when it's finished.
Yeah.
And underneath is just plywood that looks like they painted. But the real joy of getting the foam and the carpet off is all of these staples. That's a real treat. And this is what we're going to put on it. This stuff. So we think that'll be nice. Today I cleaned this whole deck off, but it isn't power wash. But I just kind of got leaves, and I finished about an hour ago, and there's a bunch of leaves on it yet, and that thing fell down. This is broken, so somehow I'm going to have to figure out how to fix this cabinet here. But I just cleaned it all up out here. It's going to need to be power washed and painted again, but that'll happen at a later date. Virginia and I, mainly Virginia, finished pulling up the parquet floor. And Jill worked inside today. Well, Virginia's taking pictures. She had to sand each one of these doors down. There's 2 pocket doors, one here, one inside the hallway. And then she painted. So there's a pocket door in here. She painted. Thank you.
All up there.
She painted up there. That looks awesome.
It does, doesn't
Up
it?
there. This door here, she painted.
And look at the inside.
Up there.
Check the
Looks
inside.
great. And she painted the entire inside. Wow. That's amazing.
Isn't it?
Wow, it's gotten a facelift. It's just what it needed.
It is.
Looks great. A bathroom lamp that I painted black, and the hole was on this thin stuff here. The hole was on this thin stuff, so I put that back there for support, that wooden piece. And filled a couple of holes. They'll have to be sanded and stained, and that'll be good. This is in the bathroom.